guys, today I'm gonna fit the first PMT tire that I recently purchased from Italy, from Paolo U, is the guy that helped me to bring them in UK. The size of the tire is 100/55 6.5 interior size. So in order to do so, I'm gonna use this as my base. I'm gonna have a little bit of soap inside, and then I'm gonna mount the valve as well. Easy to do it, let's go ahead with it. Alright, so first time I'm gonna mount the valve. I have the valve on this side. Just gonna open it easily. Okay, and it will need to be pulled out. I'll use this tool. Okay, that was very easy. All done. Now that the valve is inside, just move it slightly like this so I can have enough space and put the pump inside. Okay, another thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a bit of soap on the sides of the tire using a small brush. That will help the tire to slide in a lot better. After I do this, I'm gonna clean as well the soap around. Okay, this is ready. As I said, I have a bed in here. It's done by 3 puncture-proof tires from Xiaomi. That will help me to keep the motor steady in place, so I can put pressure on it as well and everything. Another thing I need to take care of it is the direction of the tire, because in my example here, I'll have it going towards my left side. Go. So first thing, I'm gonna insert it from this side, and it slides up so easily. Then I'll put a bit of pressure. I'll pull the tire towards me as much as possible I can, then bend it. I'll keep it with my knee, and then I'll go slowly on the side. And then press. Yeah. You see how easy it was? There you go. That's it. Now it's gonna be the tricky part, where I'm gonna have to put the air inside, and because I don't have an air compressor, I'm gonna start pressing on this side so the tire can align on the rim until I feel that no air is going outside. Now that I've done this, I'll take my pump. I'll set the pressure to 50 psi. Let's give it a bit more. So I'll set the pressure to 55 psi. And then I'll have a look on this gauge here, like this display, to see if the pressure remains inside. If I see it's not enough pressure, it means the tire is not going to inflate. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press on the sides and keep it like this until it keeps a little bit of pressure. Yeah, I think that's enough. And now the air goes inside easily without any issue. I'll wait until we reach 55 psi, and then I'll do tire pressure just to see that the air is not going out at all. This is gonna take a little bit, so we'll skip forward this one until we reach the right pressure. So now it seems that the pressure has been done. I'm just gonna wait for a little bit more and see if the pressure goes down. If the pressure goes down, it means some air is going out around the around the tire. I had the impression I hear some air going out, but it's not. It's everything looks perfect right now. And I'll be honest with you, the tire looks amazing. And it really feels so good on touch. So it's the first time I'm mounting this tire as well. I'm gonna have a test on them later on because the build is not ready at the moment. Until then, this is the first bit that I'm gonna do. So I'll let you guys watch it, enjoy it. From what I see here, the pressure is stable and it keeps at that point. I've done 55 psi because these tires, they can go up to 50 psi, but as soon as I'm gonna take the valve out, I'm gonna lose some air as well. So I want to keep the pressure stable too inside. Alright, everything looks alright for me. The pressure hasn't gone down at all. It's still on 54 psi. And I like that. It seems that the jump has been done perfectly. Okay, cool. Now it's time to take the pump out. And enjoy these new tires from PMT. They are so nice, so nice. In case you wonder what this motor is, it's a motor from Paolo Wu, a guy that I recently made meet, and he's a very, very nice guy. He helped me to bring one of them to have them in tests, and I'll let you know more about it as soon as I have some time to make some tests on it. I'm gonna have another one, and I'm gonna use them on a Kabul Wolf Warrior, a new setup, a new project that I'm gonna build in the next few months. So until then, please enjoy my channel, like, subscribe, and hope I'll see you guys soon with some new things.